Hi class, this is Miss Allen. I'm going to go over the Take Apart Tens to Subtract lesson number 2 in chapter 4 of my math. So on page 233, you're doing homework, and the equation is 48 minus 15. First, we take apart the 15, and we're left with 10 and 5 because we have a 1 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. If you want a little reminder as an expanded form, this number would be 10 plus 5 equals 15. The next step would be to bring down this 48 that's being subtracted and take the 10 out. The different way we do this, we can figure out by doing one of these little charts. There's 4 tens in 48 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. If we're going to take a 10 out, we take that 10 out. This is the number 48 right now. When we take the 10 out, we're going to have 38. So now our answer is 38. Now we're going to take that 38 and bring it over here and write 38 minus. Now we need to take out the ones. We took out the tens. Now we need to take out the ones. The ones place, we had a 5 in that 15. That's what's being subtracted, the 15. And equals. Now, in the tens place for this answer, you can do that all over again. Tens, ones. Hope you can still see that. Let me bring it over just a little bit so you can see it better. Tens and ones. In the tens, this number is 38. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're taking 5 out. So let's take the 5 out. We're left with the number, we started out with 38. Now we're left with the number 33. As you can see, let me pull this down just a little bit. Here. Okay, let me go back up. And let's finish this off over here. We have, the answer is 33. So, the answer to our question at the top, the original one, 48 minus 15, our final answer is 33. So let's rewrite that equation one more time with the answer. 48 minus 15 equals 33. How can we check this? Let's go back up and take it a little bit further with the fact family. "48's at the top. If we have 15 over here and 33 over here, does that work for us? It's 15 plus 33, 48. Check your work. Is 33 plus 15, 48? Is 48 minus 15, 33? And is 48 minus 33, 15? Check your work. How can we find this answer here? You can go back up again. You can go back up again and Use your tens, ones. You can put 15 and 33 and add them up. That's 4. Oh, going high. That's 4 tens and 8 ones, which equals 48. I hope this helps. Different ways to look at the problem. And then you can always use different ways to find the answer right here.